StudyRoom and I am Ankita. In this video, we are going to make electromagnet. Before we make that, first let us know what are electromagnets. Electromagnets are temporary magnets made using electricity. Where do we use these electromagnets? Electromagnets are used in electric cranes, electric doorbell, telephone diaphragms, etc. To make an electromagnet, we will need a 1.5 volts battery, an iron nail, some insulated copper wire, and some small pins. At first, we will take this insulated copper wire and coil it around the iron nail for about 30 to 40 times. After we coil this, it will look like this. You can also see here I have scratched the insulation on both the sides. Now we will connect one end of the wire to the negative point and one end of the wire to the positive point. Here I have used some sellotapes to keep the wire in its correct position. Remember, once the circuit is made, don't touch the ends of the battery because now the ends are very hot and you may burn your hand. Now we will lift the circuit and take it near to the pins. We can see that the iron nail is attracting the small pins. Therefore, our electromagnet is ready.